take just a few minutes to talk about harmful therapists. Obviously, that's a huge theme on TikTok this weekend, and I'm not even going to get involved with the person in particular who is posing as a therapist, but is not one in any sense of the word. Therapists can be incredibly harmful. And in fact, if therapists are not monitoring themselves on a constant vigilant basis, chances are they are going to do something harmful because they're given a sense of power and a false sense of expertise about the people they're working with that leave the person feeling oftentimes like they don't know themselves. So one, I want to say that I have been exposed to extremely harmful therapists, and that has become a trauma in my life that I'm going to work through for the rest of my life. Some of the ways I've experienced harm from therapists is them wondering if my childhood has resulted in lesbianism, is a therapist telling me that I shouldn't eat carbs after 3 p.m. There is a moral superiority on the part of therapists that is downright disorienting for a client. And the performance of wellness that a therapist engages in and the performance of knowing that a therapist engages in does nothing more than disorganize the client. When the therapist is human enough to be in process themselves and to make that process transparent to the client around them, not that it's their client's job to fix it, just that they know that they're sitting with a real person and that fake people don't exist. And that therapist this weekend on TikTok was a representation of what it's like to be a fake person and not an ideal we want to set anybody up for. So we're all a mess and we're doing this together. And the feeling of supremacy that can be embedded in the way that therapists talk fucks people up.